Welcome back to Tech Reviews with Montage Tech, your source for in-depth insights into the latest tech innovations. Today we're exploring the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, a cutting-edge smartwatch designed to enhance your daily routine. Let's delve into its impressive features. Starting with the display, the Galaxy Watch Ultra boasts a 1.5-inch Super AMOLED screen with a sharp resolution of 480 by 480 pixels, delivering a vibrant 453 pixels per inch. This ensures text and images appear crisp and clear. Super AMOLED technology enhances color accuracy and offers deep blacks for vivid content. The display is protected by scratch-resistant sapphire glass for durability against daily wear and tear. It includes an ambient light sensor that adjusts brightness based on your surroundings, ensuring optimal visibility. Under the hood, the Galaxy Watch Ultra runs on the powerful Exynos W1000 chipset built on a 3 nanometers process. Paired with 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage, this watch handles tasks smoothly on Wear OS, providing a seamless user experience with quick access to apps and notifications. Designed for everyday comfort, the Galaxy Watch Ultra measures 47.1 by 47.4 by 12.1 millimeters and weighs just 60.5 grams. Its sleek profile and lightweight build make it comfortable for all-day wear. Available in titanium silver, titanium gray, and titanium white, choose a style that matches your personality. For active lifestyles, the Galaxy Watch Ultra is built tough. It's water-resistant up to 10 meters with an IP68 rating for dust resistance. MIL STD 810 certification ensures durability against extreme temperatures, shocks, and vibrations. Powering all features is a 590 mAh battery offering impressive longevity, lasting through a full day of heavy use. While not user replaceable, its capacity keeps you connected and productive. Stay connected on the go with LTE support via an eSIM for calls, texts, and music streaming without a smartphone. Bluetooth 5.3 and Wi-Fi ensure seamless connectivity. NFC enables quick, secure payments with Samsung Pay. For accurate navigation, the Galaxy Watch Ultra supports GLONASS, Galileo, and Beidou satellite systems, providing precise location tracking in any environment. Health sensors include accelerometer, gyroscope, heart rate monitor, thermometer, barometer, enabling real-time health and fitness tracking. Track heart rate during workouts, monitor blood oxygen levels, and conduct an ECG from your wrist. The Galaxy Watch Ultra acts as a personal health companion, offering insights to help you stay healthy. In summary, the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra combines cutting-edge technology, premium design, and robust durability for fitness enthusiasts and tech aficionados alike. Priced at $650, it's a premium investment delivering exceptional value. Thanks for tuning in to Tech Reviews with Montage Tech. If you found this review helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights and reviews. Comment below with thoughts on the Galaxy Watch Ultra or tech you want us to cover next. Stay tuned and tech savvy.